Fitness Solutions again. Today I just wanted to show you a really quick workout. I know that I talked yesterday about getting a cardio and weight training in one, the most efficient way of getting your workout done. And today I was just starting to cook, so I show you really quick. I'm sauteing some vegetables and some cauliflower rice. I made some extras, so as you can see, I have some eggs and cheese. I don't know if you guys see it. There you go. So I'm gonna do cauliflower rice with chicken and vegetables, with half of the cauliflower rice and the other half. I have the oven going, so I'm just gonna add some cheese, eggs, and ham that I got for Easter, and then make a cauliflower bake. So we have kind of two different meals in one setting, so it's really taking like 20 minutes to have it all done. But since it's cooking and I'm just waiting for it to be done, I figured I'm going to show you a quick workout, you know, that you can have done. So let me see if I can set it up and if you guys see me. Okay, perfect. You guys see me? Perfect. So I have a towel that I set for you. I use a lot of sliders, but on a wood floor, the towel is perfect. So if you want to get a little bit of core work done, that's a great way. So we're going to just start with some squats and some deadlifts. So I'm just going to warm up a little bit with squats. We're going to do 10 each. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to get a towel. There you go, so you guys see me. Now we're going to do some lunges. 1, good. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch the leg. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to move to a push-up and knee tuck. Here. Push down and tuck. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move to one foot. Going to pull it out and across. 2 and across. 3 and across. 4 and across. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, switch. Good, stretch your lower back a little bit and switch to the other side. In. Remember to keep your hips low, but don't arch your back. Shoulders down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice, we're going to do 20 jumping jacks. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can jump out to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Squat jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gently soft. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you see I got short of breath. So again, super quick workout. You can repeat it 3 to 7 times. You get your heart rate up, you work your core, you work your shoulders, work your legs, your glutes. Super quick, in your own kitchen, in your own home. Get it done. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye.